In this video, I'm going to show you how to name rooms in Revit. Now to do this, first of course you want to have a room, so you want to go to architecture, top left, and you want to click on a room over here, and you want to click inside the room where of course you want to create a room. So I do have just like 4 walls in this project for this tutorial, so I'm going to click in here and it's going to create a room, okay? Now once you've done this, as you can see, if I hover over it, it says it's actually a room, so I can click on it as well. And then you want to go to architecture again, and you want to click on where it says room tag, okay, or tag room. So click on that and click on tag room, and then you can just go and place your tag wherever you want. I'm gonna place it up here. Click on it, and just like this, if I zoom in, as you can see, I can now change this room. So I can name it whatever. I'm going to name this one room 1 like this. So you have to double click in here and you'll be able to change this, okay? You can of course go to the edit type button over here as well, and you can go ahead and show different things like show area, show room number, show volume, etc. And of course you can do some other things in here as well, okay? So that's how to name your rooms. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.